Hi there! So let's start with how you can earn InkDrops. You need to click on the section Get InkDrops and you'll the books available to be reviewed. On the main page you see every book covers. You have the title of the book under the image. You can also see how many InkDrops you'll earn by reviewing this book. You also see the price of the book on Amazon. If the other user has not uploaded his book file, he hopes that you will buy the book directly on Amazon to review it. Sometimes when they are below $5 or with a Kindle promotion, they can be $0, and it will really help for the organic ranking if you buy the book on Amazon. When you or other user upload their book file, you'll see free download is yes. When no book file is available, it's no. Now let's find a book to review. We'll try with this one. So when you click Review this book, a new page opens with the details of the book. You have the title of the book, but most importantly the description of the book. If you don't like it and change your mind, you can always go back by clicking I don't want to review this book. You will return to the Get InkDrops page. Let's continue with this book. Now back on the reviewing page, we have the Amazon link button and the Write a Review button on the right. Normally you should confirm that you want to read, buy or download the book before going to Amazon and leave a review. Let's go on the bottom of the page and confirm that you will leave a review. Once confirmed, you will have a new section on your My Dashboard section. The section is called Books I Need to Review. You will also see how many days you have left to review the book. Now when you're ready to download, buy or review the book, just click on it again. It's time to go on Amazon and buy the book. Just click on the Amazon link button to be directed to Amazon and buy the book. When you can download it, there will be a download button under the Amazon link button. Now when you're ready to leave a review for the book, you need to write the review on Amazon. Click the Write a Review button to be directed to the review page of the book. On the review page you have to complete the Amazon review form. Please make a sincere review. We are verifying all reviews after submitting them on Read and Rate and will flag to Amazon any review that is offensive or that don't follow Amazon policies. Now back to our Read and Rate form to submit your review. You'll need to complete the form on the bottom of the page. First, write your reviewer name. If you don't know your reviewer name, go back to the Write a Review page to find it. Now that you have your reviewer name, you can write it down and continue to the next questions. On which Amazon platform did you leave your review? We have people from all over the world using Read and Rate, and it's important for us to know which Amazon platform so we can verify your review. Enter the website review link if you did leave a review on another website, like Goodreads for example. Confirm that you made an honest review. And now you can click on Verify My Review. You'll get your InkDrops and can now use them and ask others to review your books. On your dashboard, you'll find a new section called Books I Reviewed. You can also see that your InkDrops have been added to your balance. Thank you for watching this tutorial and see you on the next one.